Hello, my name is Dennis Kibet. My registration number is TED-38-16. I am here to present my learnings and summaries of the videos that I watched under the virtual trip through guidelines. So from watching the videos in the factory layout planning section, I was able to learn how factory layout planning is done. Also, I learned that all the factory utilities are built on top of AutoCAD. Another thing that I learned from the factory layout planning was the plant layout, principles of plant layout, and the types of layout. Plant layout is the optimum arrangement of facilities, including personnel, operating equipment, storage space, material handling equipment, and other supporting services, along with the design of the base structure to contain all the facilities. I was also able to learn about the different principles of plant layouts that are as follows. The principle of minimum movement should be able to save cost and time of transportation and material handling, as minimum distance will be covered. Also, also from the industrial health and safety videos in virtual learning, I was also able to learn that workplace safety depends on a number of things which help keep the workplace healthy and safe. To ensure that to ensure that this is met in industries, all employees should report all accidents and incidents. The workplace should always be kept tidy. Employees should be familiar with their workstations and workspaces to avoid accidents, and also all the equipment should be serviced regularly. There are also other things that that were covered in the videos, um, that that ensure that the workplace is safe and secure for both the employers and the employees and also the customers. So it is a collective responsibility for both the employers, the clients, and the employees to ensure that workplace safety is is maintained. Also, under the technologies used in manufacturing section, I was also able to learn a couple of things. Like I learned how numerical control and computer numerical control has eased up manufacturing due to its technologies. Um, the the cutting of tools or unwanted materials using machines has been famous for a couple of years now, as different industries as different industries try to come up with suitable shapes of different parts of the machines. I also learned about the factory with monitoring and DNC under technologies for manufacturing systems. Through this technology, Factory Wiz is able to offer the most native connections to connect the CNC machines, which reduces call, call installation times. In summary, this experience watching the videos and all the activities involved taught me a lot about how the industries work, the safety that should be adopted by all the industries, and also the new cutting edge technologies that are adopted by these companies. It is important for all companies to stay safe and also use the latest technologies to ensure that their operations are fast and also that their that their operations are up to date to 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 satisfy their customers. So thank you for your time, and goodbye.